Another successful year for organizers of the Fiesta Bowl Parade. Numerous floats, marching bands, and others snaked their way through the central Phoenix area this morning as thousands watched the streets, and ABC 15 right here. Here's a look at some of the highlights.
What's with the cool jackets?
Do you notice us? That's why we have these bright colors. We used to have bright colored dresses, and we switched to the jackets, but they had to be Fiesta Bowl colors.
What does it mean to have this parade in our city?
It's a great, I've been in it 18 years. It's great for the city, brings in people from out of town, good football games. What else can you ask for?
Now, we heard from some of you after the parade because the Desert Edge High School Marching Band from Goodyear appeared in this parade, but they didn't get a mention. Desert Edge was behind the Star Wars Legion. You can hear them right here, and we wanted to take this moment to give them a special shout-out and make sure all of you know about their parade appearance. Well, if you missed the parade altogether today, we'll be re-airing it tomorrow afternoon at 3 on Channel 15.2. That's GoAZ TV. You can also check it out on abc15.com, our website.